In this video, we'll show you how to calibrate your NPK meter. Firstly, pour some of the multi-cal solutions into 2 separate beakers. Now prepare a rinse solution of deionized water. Next, take out the probe and place it in the first calibration solution. Switch on the meter and press Cal to enter calibration mode. Now press N to calibrate nitrate and wait for the probe to stabilize. Once it has stabilized, the reading will stop flashing and we will be ready to calibrate potassium. Press K and wait for stability. Press P and wait for stability once more. The meter is now on point calibrated. Before we place the probe in the second calibration solution, we must dry it in order to reduce contamination. When drying the probe, make sure to only dab the tips so you don't damage the sensors. With the probe in the second solution, we are now ready to calibrate the second point. This is done by repeating the first calibration process and following the on-screen instructions. If you only wanted to do a one-point calibration, this is possible and can be done by toggling calibration mode in the settings. The calibration is now complete. Now rinse and dry the probe so that you are ready to take a sample reading. We will show you how to do this in the next video. The kit used in this video can be found by following the links in the description or by scanning the QR code at the end of the video.